Hello friends. A good education begins at home. You cannot blame a school for not nurturing values in your child that you have not instilled. Let us understand this with a video.
Yes, ma'am, could you please introduce yourself?
Huh. Myself,
Look at the camera. Camera nodi.
Namaskar. Myself, Miss Nandini Rao. I am primary school teacher in Bulbul Vidya Mandir.
So, have you started online classes?
Yes, we have started online classes.
What's the experience?
Experience? I don't know sometimes if I am teaching or learning.
If you could share some observations with us.
Observations. See, one thing we have observed, our children have become very health conscious. So, in every online class, we are seeing children are sitting in some yoga pose. Shirshasana, Tadasana, Vrikshasana, Shavasana, sleeping. 9 a.m. is too early. But no child is sitting in simple Sukhasana, and therefore we teachers are in Sampurna Dukhasana, because first 10 minutes of the class is only spent in making the children sit properly. Sit straight, sit in front of the camera, switch on your camera. I cannot really make out much because video quality is so bad, no light. But please switch on the camera, stop eating. There is no concept of recess now because mothers, grandmothers are feeding continuously. Stop eating. We have become like those VJs of live music shows, no? Those programs where people call to request for their favorite songs. But all that VJ is doing is saying, mute kijiye, TV mute kijiye, volume kam kijiye, hello, mute kijiye. That is all we are doing. And for these children, that mic on their device has become like that PP whistle. They are getting as return gifts on birthday parties, no? Non-stop noise. Arey, we used to complain about the march past practice in our school because our PT teacher, he just does that Saudhan Vishram very, very loudly. But now I am getting anxiety attacks from the sound of pressure cooker whistles in children's homes. That day I am counting 6 whistles. Arey, switch off the gas. What have you kept in that pressure cooker? If it is rice means it has become idli 100%. But who will switch off the gas? Mother is sitting in the room, attending the online class, prompting the child with answers whenever we are asking the questions. Job interview also, she is going to do same thing, I don't know. And parents should really not give answers because most of the times, no, their answers are wrong. Pythagoras is not the father of geometry. Euclid is the father of geometry. This morning, that mother, Pythagoras, say Pythagoras. Wrong. See, such people are only getting chance in that Kaun Banega Karodpati. We never get line only. Such is the case. And some parents are wanting personal attention from me. Madam, see, Harshavardhan wants to show his drawing. Madam, can you please see Harshavardhan's? There are 55 participants in this online class. I will say excellent, very good, 55 times.
What do you miss about the regular school?
I miss discipline. Now there is nothing like, may I go to toilet, man? The child is just screaming, Mummy, potty. And take how much ever time you want in potty. Come back and then I have to repeat everything I said on popular demand by the parents. I miss my chalk box. No. Writing the date, the subject, the name of chapter on board, and then turning around and throwing one little piece of chalk at that child who is sleeping. Now I cannot make out sometimes if the child is awake or asleep because see, the computers glare on the spectacles. No, I cannot see the eyes only. Such is the situation. I miss having a class monitor as my assistant. Please collect the classwork books and bring it to the staff room. Mind the class while I attend to this important phone call. Now I am only the teacher, I am only the class monitor, I am only the boy who is making the chai. I miss staff room, sharing lunch with other teachers and then sharing the recipe of the lunch. And then sharing gossip about high school students. Teenagers, what stories. Now nothing.
How do you think the system can be made better?
How this can be made better, I don't know. But I am thinking starting on YouTube channel. I will just teach on YouTube channel. I have heard YouTube is paying money. People are earning. Is it true? Something you know about that one? No?
Hope you have enjoyed the video and understood the plight of a teacher. How a teacher has to work at all the phases of her life. Be it offline education or online education, she has to manage it everywhere with utmost care. We will go ahead and we'll see what's next in this video. Respected Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, A life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science. You will understand this, but afterwards, by yourself. Let us listen to a view of a teacher, what a teacher wants.
Namaste. I am Viraj. I am from India. I am an assistant professor in a university in Mumbai. But rather, I would be very much obliged and happy to be called as a teacher. My ultimate aim is to be a guru, but at least the highest level. For now, I'm happy. Just call me teacher. There is a globe prepared in front of me, which you can see over here. It is prepared by a 5th, 6th standard student. It is not actually globe, but it looks like a globe. Globe signifies something which is united. Globe, earth. It shows earth. We live in earth. Our highest priority should be that we should love each other as human. I am going to talk about being human in our behavior. There are so many conflicts in the name of religion. Religion following the messenger, and spirituality is following the message. We get usually confused with the word religion. Normally, religion here in India means dharma. Dharma is duty. Do your duty, perform your duty well. Duty, be a good student, be a good family person, be a good son, be a good daughter, be a good patriotic person, be a citizen of your nation, serve for your country, serve for your motherland. That is our religion. But normally we have misunderstood the term religion, and as I have learned this from a very great renowned person in one of his speeches. Right now I do not remember the name, but what matters most is the message. One thing I would like to say, if we want a very peaceful environment, we must keep this so-called religion and perform all the religious activities inside our four walls. The moment we step outside our home, we must just a human person, an individual who respect each and every other individual. That should be our ultimate aim and goal of life. And with that, we can be very much happily, peacefully stay with each other. These boundaries of nation, continent will not be there. And the term of globalization will be achieved in real sense. Thank you so much. For now, I would like to take your Ashirwad and end my speech. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
दुनिया को बदलने का सबसे शक्तिशाली हथियार शिक्षा है, और लोगों को मूर्ख बनाने का सबसे शाली हथियार धर्म है. धर्म से दूर रहिए जो लोगों ने बनाया है. धर्म वो है जो हमारा कर्म है, वो आपको शिक्षा देता है. A very nice picture, and this is the reality. Anyone's and everyone's dream is achieved by this staircase, constructed rigorously by our teacher from KG to PG and ahead. It's a quote written in Marathi, but if you just pay attention, you will definitely understand it. शिक्षण म्हणजे फक्त वही, पेन नव्हे, तर बुद्धीला सत्याकडे व भावनेला माणुसकीकडे नेणारा मार्ग म्हणजे शिक्षण. Education does not require any literacy level. Education is completely different from literacy. You will see this in the Finally, teacher being one of the highest privilege. Having one is the best blessing. Happy Teachers Day. Officially on 5th September, but otherwise every day. Take care. God bless.